nag-edit lang ako ng vlog sa phone ko. Ano daw, kinulang siya ng 3, so diniscount na lang. Ano yung ilalagay ko dito?
No, yung 565 eh.
Okay. 1 na lang, and then I'll cut off na. And then, can I see the dinosaur? Wow! Anong sound ng dinosaur? Roar! Sino gumawa nito? Sino gumawa? It's time to eat lunch. We have beef, mushroom, and brown rice. I'm gonna watch Modern Family. Nothing new. Grab buko.
I've been learning a lot about human personality types in my cycle.
You know what, please. Walking. So it's currently 2 p.m. Mga 5 p.m. alis na ako. So I have time pa to walk. And mamaya mag-review for a recitation later. God help me, please. 6 to 7 p.m. I have Pilates. 7:45 to 9:15 yung class na. Okay, so I just did 6,000 steps at treadmill. So now I'm going to watch the video lecture. Para kahit pa paano ay masagot naman ako mamaya sa class. So inuna ko na yung video lecture. Dapat maliligo muna ako. Pero uunahin ko na to kasi yung pagligo, yung pag-get ready, pwede kong madaliin. Ito hindi ko pwede madaliin. So,
sometimes, if it's only a simple okay. So at the end of the day, when you reconcile that, there should always be.
Ito kakatapos ko maligo, dumating yung grab. This coffee, vanilla. The only coffee that I drink. Wow, ang tapang. We have 30 minutes and that is short for me. Finally going back to Pilates after 2 months because walang pasok. Sa TAF yung Pilates studio na pinupuntahan ko. So, hindi ako nakakapunta ng TAF. Hindi ako nakaka-Pilates. I'm low-key scared because syempre parang maninibago ka ulit. I don't know what to do first. Like, I'm really panicking right now. Spraying this. I spray it everywhere. Sa face ko, sa hands ko. Ginagawa ko siyang hand sanitizer. Ginagawa ko siyang panglinis ng phone ko. Everything. Hand and body sanitizer. I'll put the link down below. For my skincare, very simple. Hadalapo. Napaubos na. Tap, 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 tap. And then, I put this. Lux Organics Vitamin C. Pero ito, maganda din to. Like, nakaka-brighten siya ng face. Pag di ako nag-makeup, ito lang nilalagay ko. In fairness. Kasi parang, ayun nga, nababrighten niya yung face. Medyo na-even out yung, complexion. It gives this, like, glow talaga. This one, my go-to since pandemic. Never ako nag-change ng sunscreen. Vaseline for my lips. I might have to brush my teeth pa later kasi nag-coffee ako. If you know me, kakatanggal lang recent... Bakit ako nag-chika right now? Nakatanggal lang ng braces ko. And then nung pagtanggal talaga sa kanya, sabi ko, wow! Yellow by Coldplay. So, ayun, pinapaputi ko siya right now. I've been using this Enigma. Hindi ko alam kung dark siya sa akin, pero baka di lang ako sanay na ganito ka, dark shade. Parang sanay ako yung whitewash talaga. To like, evenly spread. Actually, I think sa local, ito yung best foundation na na-try ko. But, I just wish na I got a better shade. Kasi ganyan, parang yellow, diba? Pero, actually, pag may light lang siya may yellow. Pag natural lighting, parang kulay ko naman talaga. There. So, I'm using the Peri Pera. This is really nice kasi para lang talaga siyang shadow. It's full tone. This blush, I love this blush. Skin Serum Cushion Foundation. Blush by Happy Skin. It's so nice. It's so natural. Like, for me, parang ano lang, nag-blush lang siya, ganun. Like, kinikilig. It's the perfect pink na red. Gets ba? Diba? Parang, fresh. Grabe. Hindi, meron pa eh. Gusto ko yung wala na talaga. Like, goal ko yun. Na as in, yung nanay ko talaga, like, wala kang makikitang tira talaga. Wala. Yung blush niya lagi ganun. Ang bilis maubos ito. Paano ka mag-blush, be? Ginagawa mo bang foundation? Mahilig kasi siya mag-retouch. Easy. I really don't have time. I'm gonna pack my bag pa. This is my favorite mascara ever. Hindi bababa yung lashes niya. Trust me, ladies. The silence when putting on mascara. The concentration. Last Kiss Vice Cosmetics Lip Liner. Super natural niya. Parang wala ka nilagay. Chai latte. Spray. Oh, this one also very important sa hair care routine ko. Lux Organics Keratin. What's in my bag? My ID. Oh my gosh, I have class. Kalimutan ko, estudyante ako. Laptop, of course. So, ballpen, earphones. So, I got this recently lang, mga portable na pang perfume. For each of my perfumes, para I don't have to bring the whole bottle na. I used to do that. Just realized na it doesn't match the red. Whatever. I'll bring this for after Pilates para... Hello! Ba't naman ako mag-red leggings sa class? I am so gonna clean my room later. Promise. Optic white. Red on red on red. Hindi ko alam bakit nawalan ng audio sa mga next clips, pero basta hinihingal ako dito super kasi super naglakad ako ng very very fast from the train station to the studio. And then pagdating ko sa studio, like super natuwa sila kasi nga ang tagal ko nawala. Tapos niyakap ako ni Coach V. They were like, "Oh, you're back, ma'am." I go, "Yes, I'm back. Welcome to me." Okay, so we're here. Actually ako first. Punta na tayo sa pwesto ko. Third daw ako eh. Dito ako. We're back. Okay guys, so I think I have a problem because it's currently like 6:10 na. We haven't started yet kasi halos ako pa lang yung tao. Late yung mga kasama ko and it's a group class. So I think I'll have to go earlier than them. Mamaya, mauuna na ako cause I have class on 7:45 and 7 PM supposedly to matatapos. But I'm scared to be late on that class. I cannot afford to be late on that class because, first of all, first face-to-face meeting namin to. So yeah, I'm just scared. 7:30. I have class 7:45. Mag-aangkas na ako. Andiyan na yung angkas. Please. Okay, yung iba pa uwi na. Ako first class. I made it in time.
Sabi kasi ng standard, 3 months okay pa yan. Okay, kasi Felicity here for a false statement, incorrect statement.
First and last class. Pagod. I am home. Hindi ko bet yung ulam, so I'm gonna cook. Century. I'm supposed to be diet na, but makabang gusto ko mag-diet. So, ininit ko lang siya, to be honest. Pero usually, nilalagyan ko siya ng sibuyas at saka star margarine. But, tinatamad na ako right now. So, I only have 1K steps left. So, madali na lang yan. And it's currently 11:30 na. So, about to start my day. Let's go. 3K steps done. Now it's time to take a bath and prepare for school. Yesterday, Wednesday, hindi na ako nag-vlog because wala naman akong ginawa. Nabasa ko lang hair ko. I didn't wash it na kasi mag-gym din ako later. So, okay. For my skin, wala ako sa mood mag-makeup. So, very light lang. I didn't wake up early today. I mean, I did, pero bumalik ako sa kama. Kanina, nung gumising ako ng 7, siguro mga 5 hours lang to. 5 hours, 30 minutes lang. So, mag-extend ako. Eh, nakalimutan ko mag-alarm. Dapat 1 hour lang. Nakalimutan ko mag-alarm. So, 10 na ako nag-isip. At least naka 10 hours. So, I only have 2 classes today. And one of those is kaklase ko, yung mga friends ko. Si Viviada and Rain. Amazing! Ngayon na lang ulit kami magkakaklase. Okay, tip. If you want your lashes to stay up, pero ayaw nyo mag-mascara, use Vaseline. Is gonna be heavy today. Lip balm, tissue, oil control, comb, perfume, earphones, eye drops. Top is from TikTok Shop, pants are from H&M. Let's go. Lunch is chicken inasal from Bacolod. We are back.
Last ko na to. Third class ko na to today.
May last class pa siya.
Third ko na?
May last class pa siya. Walaan nyo kasi.
Training.
Yan lang.
May gym kami ngayon. Ay, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Full kami today. Ay, hindi kita namukaan. Bakal gadgets na. Hindi pa ako nagbabasa doon.
Anong scores?
Go feeling ko na.
Bye-bye! Hi! Na-realize ko, nalimutan ko yung keytab ko. So, sana mag-work na ipakita ko na lang yung app. 3 minutes lang ako nag-walk from campus to tinaymalan ko. Kasi sabi nila mabilis na ako. Okay. Thank you! Workout is done. I did arms, a little bit of back, and then core. Like 20 minutes na lakad and then 6 minutes na Stairmaster. Back to normal. Classes are done. This is my favorite spot. Sa buong campus. This view. I'm just gonna chill here for one song. And then I'll go na. I just had dinner. Look what we have right now. Pag kumakain ako nito.
Zero the calories in that.
Kaya nga eh. Pag kumakain ako nito, well, bihira lang naman kami magkaganito kasi mga relatives namin from Bacolod yung bibigay nito. So, ayun nga. Pag kumakain ako nito, nauubos ko siya sa isang upuan. That is crazy. Tingnan mo yung pinapak ni tatay. Hindi, lapit ka. Tingnan mo yung nasa puso. Tingnan mo? Ne? Daya mo? Be, calorie deficit pa ba yan? Hindi ba?
At this point. Hindi yan. Basta 2.5. 2.5 calories.
Wala ka ba kinain buong araw? First meal mo ba?